Students, today we will study the lesson 3.2, the fall of Troy. Fall means here defeat, Parajay. Troy is the name of city. It is the story that is taken from the poem Iliad, which is written by the great Greek writer Homer. It is the story of the country or the city which was defeated by the Greeks. That city's name was Troy. It is the story similar to our epic Ramayana. It is similar to that story. In Ramayana, Sita was eloped by Ravan. In the same way, in this story, the Queen of Greeks, the Queen of Greeks whose name was Helen. The name of the Queen of Greeks was Helen, and the Emperor of the Greeks was Menelaus. The Queen Helen was eloped by the prince whose name was Paris. He was the prince of Troy. Helen was the wife of King Menelaus. Menelaus was the king of Greeks. Helen was eloped by Paris, and that's why the Greeks wanted to take revenge on Troy for the wrong done to Menelaus. Who had done the wrong to Menelaus? Paris, who was the prince of Troy. In this way, to take the revenge, the Greeks attacked Troy. They sailed to the Troy and laid a siege to the city. Siege means वेढा देणे, वेढा देणे. Siege, वेढा देणे. In this way, the city of Troy was strong. It was very strong city because it had the fortification of, म्हणजे संरक्षण of the strong wall and the mountain Ida to the backside. That's why it was the very strong city. In front of the city there was the ocean, and behind it there was the mountain Ida. That's why it was impregnable city. Impregnable means ajinkya. Impregnable city. It was not easy to defeat the city. That's why the Greeks seized it not for 1, 2, 3 years. The siege continued for the long 10 years. Every day the fighting went on at that time. The Greeks could not take the city. On the other hand, the Trojans could not force them to sail away. Parat jane. Every day the Trojans came out of their gates and the Greeks came out of their tents and ships, and the fighting went on. Sometimes there was great battle between the two armies. Sometimes there were single fights between two great heroes. Sometimes the Trojans had the better of it and sometimes the Greeks. म्हणजे कधी कधी ट्रोजन्स म्हणजे ट्रॉयमध्ये राहणारे नागरिक त्यांचे शूरवीर सिपाई किंवा सरदार जिंकत असत, तर कधी ग्रीकचे सरदार जिंकत असत. बट स्टील द फायटिंग वेंट ऑन. परंतु अजूनही युद्ध काय होतं, सुरूच होतं फॉर लॉंग 10 years. In the course of fighting, great heroes on both sides were killed in the war. After leading the defense of his city for 9 years, the brave Hector was at last killed by Achilles, whom none could resist. म्हणजे 9 वर्ष अशा प्रकारे आपल्या शहराला झुंजत ठेवल्यानंतर जो सरदार होता ट्रोजन्सचा, म्हणजे ट्रॉय सिटीमध्ये राहणारे, त्याचं नाव होतं हेक्टर. हा हेक्टर शेवटी काय झाला, धारातीर्थी पडला, वीरगतीला प्राप्त झाला. आणि कोणी मारलं याला? ॲकिलिसनी. Achilles himself was killed later on by a poisoned arrow that entered his heel. आणि ॲकिलिस सुद्धा त्याच्या पायामध्ये आपला जहरी बाण घुसल्यामुळे त्याच्या टाकेमध्ये तो मरण पावला. कारण इट वॉज ओनली पार्ट ऑफ हिज बॉडी व्हेअर ही कुड बी वुंडेड. बाकी त्याची बॉडी अशी कव्हर्ड होती, म्हणजे त्याच्या कुठल्याही शरीराच्या पार्टवर दुसऱ्या ठिकाणी काही होऊ शकणार नव्हतं. फक्त हाच एक भाग होता, हिल म्हणजे टाचेचा, की जिथे त्या हे करून वार करून त्याला मारू शकत होते. आणि बरोबर तिथेच बाण त्याच्या पायामध्ये जहरी घुसला आणि अशा प्रकारे तो सुद्धा संपला. स्टील लेटर पॅरिस हिमसेल्फ वॉज किल्ड. आणि जो प्रिन्स होता, म्हणजे राजपुत्र होता कुठला, ग्रीक्सचा, तो सुद्धा मारला गेला, ऑल्सो बाय अ पॉइझन्ड ॲरो, जहरी बाणानी. द ट्रोजन्स वेअर टायर्ड ऑफ बीइंग शट अप इन देअर सिटी. ट्रोजन्ससुद्धा म्हणजे थकलेले होते त्यांच्या शहरामध्ये राहून राहून. अँड द ग्रीक्स वेअर लॉंगिंग टू सी देअर होम्स अगेन. लॉंगिंग मीन्स विशिंग, वॉन्टिंग टू सी देअर होम्स अगेन. आणि ग्रीकसुद्धा त्यांच्या घरी जाण्याकरता ते आतुर झालेले होते. बट स्टील द फायटिंग वेंट ऑन. पण तरी पण युद्ध इट वॉज कंटिन्यूड. युद्ध काय होतं? सुरूच होतं. युद्ध मात्र थांबलेलं नव्हतं. सी द वर्कशॉप. You have to write down like this. These are the opposite words. Write down as I have written the answers of the question. Last one, F. Troy was attacked because it was a strong, rich city. No, it was it was not the fact. It was not the fact. Paris, the prince